1080p plus 30MP plus 16x zoom. The video camera captures clear videos with 1080p HD resolution and 16x zoom, playable on TV to get the best effect by connecting with the HDMI cable. Capture stunning photos in 30MP high definition. This vlogging camera with 3.0-inch ultra-clear touchscreen, video resolution up to FHD_1920x1080, 30 fps, and interpolated photo resolutions up to 30MP, which can be customized by the user through setting. IR night vision camera and support for 128GB SD card. The digital camera is equipped with an infrared LED light for night vision. You can easily activate this feature by clicking the power button. When the light intensity is insufficient, press the right/infrared function button to activate infrared night vision to get normal photos and videos. Card slot for SD card, maximum up to 128GB, card not included. Webcam and recording pause function. This camcorder with flip screen supports the webcam function. You can use the YouTube video camera live on YouTube. The pause function allows you to start a suspended video without recording a new one. Equipped with a wireless remote control that controls the zoom and the shooting, nobody will be excluded in the group photo. Multifunction YouTube video camera. This digital video camera supports external microphone, not included, time-lapse recording/photography, motion detection, slow motion recording, and continuous shooting. The economical camera also supports external UV lenses or wide-angle lenses. The external lenses are not included, to allow you to create wonderful recordings/images for shooting YouTube videos.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.